So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. It's super insane, guys, and it actually works. So let's get right into the video. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get rich on the game No Limit Drag Racing 2. So let me open it up, and as you can see, we are not exactly rich, but when we press this button, we can turn on unlimited gold. So I'm going to turn it up all the way, guys, and let's see if our gold starts increasing. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of the No Limit Drag Racing 2 so you can get unlimited gold as well. So as you can see, this is what we got right now. So let's see if it goes up, and then yeah, look at that, it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this 2026 iOS and Android, guys. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser, and we need to go to this website. So the website we're going to go to is called matrixmods.com. So let me just type that right here. So once you're on the website, guys, just type in No Limit, and as you can see, there it is. So press download. So before this downloads, guys, there is going to be a verification that you have to do. This is 100% free to do, and it's from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So it's loading up right now. So as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required. So we just need to download 2 of these apps, which are completely free, and then we will have the mod. So for instance, like Travel Town says reach level 9, so we just press continue and then play it until we're like level 9 or whatever. So this is a game, guys, so it's pretty simple. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. So that's how to get the No Limit 2 Drag Racing modded version for your device. So I just got to like play this right here, as you can see, then go back to the list and do some more. But one thing I'll say is make sure you guys go to settings and make sure you have the background app refresh turned on, and you're going to be all set. So that's how to get No Limit 2 Drag Racing modded version for your device. Super amazing. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel. So as you can see, the gold is very high. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, guys. Totally works. So if you guys are broke, you're not broke anymore with the No Limit 2 Drag Racing mods. So have fun, guys. I didn't have to jailbreak my device or anything, but I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in No Limit so you guys can see. So you don't need the game installed because this is a separate modded version, but as you can see, it's very expensive. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you. But chances are, if you're watching this video, you're not really the paying type. But yeah, make sure you download 2 of the apps and you're going to be all set. So that's how to get the No Limit 2 Drag Racing modded version with unlimited gold. So this is super amazing, guys. Totally works, 2026. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you like this game, because it actually works, you know. I've tried everything, and this is the only way to hack No Limit 2 Drag Racing that actually is working, guys. So be sure to tell your friends about it. It is really awesome. And yeah, this is ready for you. So have fun, guys. If you like No Limit 2 Drag Racing, then I got news for you. This is the new mod, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's no jailbreak needed, so you guys can do this completely free, which is awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and have fun, guys. And yeah, so as you can see, unlimited gold, so that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and peace out.